For just a second, think about your dream life. Imagine it. Feel it. Now come back and listen to what I'm about to say. You have the power to make all of that happen.
I'm at Diyakawa Paramotoring, and today I went up with Taz. I had an amazing time. You get to see so much stuff. I feel like I've seen now so much of Sri Lanka. The rivers all look amazing, the sea is amazing. It's definitely worth it, and I had a really good time.